My name is Boma Akbore. In anything I do in life, I play to win.
I have a goal and I will always concentrate on that.
I am a very, very competitive person.
I'm going to keep you on your TV 24/7.
You want spicy, you're getting spicy. Everything you want, man. I'm just here to be myself.
How many times have I auditioned? 4th time.
So this will be my 4th time auditioning.
People love to be vulnerable with me, and I love to be vulnerable with people.
As a married man, I want to play the game as a single guy. I am very empathetic. I'm a lover.
I'm a fighter, unfortunately.
I'm not falling in love in the house. I hope not. That would be terrifying.
The craziest thing I've ever done would be beating my landlord's daughter.
We
Have the street in us. You need to know the times to unlock it.
I was born in the ghetto. Do you know Itire? Don't fall for the looks.
You want to Jones me? Be careful. I will Jones you back.
I'm an aboro.
But hell no, I will not fight my housemate over food. If I win the show, I'm going to get a house for my mom first.
I will first use it to shadow. I am a bad bitch. Period.
Who did you Jaya? White my low sorrow.
Readjust your vision for an all-new season of Big Brother Naija on DSTV and GoTV, rated 18. Proudly sponsored by Abeg and associate sponsor Patricia.